Okay, 4.7 Part 2 homework today of pre-calculus math. Inverse trig functions, Part 2 homework, 0 points in your classwork, and then 78 points here on this homework assignment here. Page 1, determine the missing coordinates here, fill in your missing coordinates and these blanks here for these graphs. And then in 19 to 32, use the calculator to approximate the value of the expression here, 19 and 20. You got 8 points here for page 1. Page 2, same thing. Use your calculator to find the values here of these. 20 points for page 2. Page 3, compare the graph of the function with the graph of f of x equals arc sine x here. So you have 33 g of x equals arc sine x plus 3. And then this will be the grid here that you use to compare it. Compare the graph of f of x equals arc sine x to this graph here on this same grid. And then down here, find your exact values here for 53 and 54. Or you could put them on different grids, but if you put them on the same grid, that'd be pretty cool. But you got two grids here to use if you wish. Same thing here, compare the graph of the function with the graph of f of x equals arc sine x. So we got 35 here, g of x equals arc sine negative x. And you compare that to f of x equals arc sine x. You got two grids here, or you can put it on the same grid, up to you, and then find the exact value of 57 and 58. Using your calculator. And then again, we're comparing f of x equals arc cosine x to this function here. And you got two grids here that you can either graph each one, or you can graph both on one grid. And then down here, page 6, 10 points here, same thing. Graph that compared to this function up here. Page 7, same thing. Compare g of x equals arctan negative x to f of x equals arctan x. On both are 1, and then find the exact value of these expressions here. And that is 4.7 Part 2. Thank you very much, and email me here if you need solution PowerPoints or tutoring or any other materials for your pre-calculus course. Thank you very much.